Following degumming, the oil proceeds to the neutralization phase, during which free fatty acids are neutralized using an alkali solution. This ensures that the oil achieves a desirable acidity level for further processing. Subsequently, the oil is subjected to bleaching, a process that employs clay or activated carbon to remove pigments, heavy metals. The next critical step is deodorization, where the oil is heated under vacuum conditions to eliminate volatile compounds responsible for unpleasant odors and flavors. This step significantly enhances the sensory properties of the processed oil. Finally, the refined oil is cooled and packaged, ready for distribution. Throughout this entire process, advanced equipment such as centrifuges, heat exchangers. This comprehensive approach not only recycles waste materials effectively, but also produces high-quality oil products suitable for various applications, from cooking to biofuel production. By adhering to these principles,